All right, Keith is back, and
I was
another.
feeling tired today, actually. Like that's like one of the most dead-on verifies I've ever, like as far as my interests.
Yeah, you think? I don't ever feel tired in the fall. I feel more energized.
Really?
In the fall, always. And I don't know what it is. It's something about the air changing, I think.
Okay.
I'm not breathing as heavy because of all the humidity. You know.
It is a nice season. I will say, like, winter for me is the worst with energy, which I think is a common.
Yeah.
Like the sun sets at 3:55. You're like, awesome. Love that. I love that for us. All right, here's a look at the satellite. Still get some sun out there. Sunsets today, I think in Bangor, 6:01. I think that's right. So getting there, but still nice and bright for the most part. A couple of showers out there. A lot of them have died out over the last couple of hours. And this is kind of how our week's going to be. Isolated showers around, not a whole lot of coverage of showers, not a whole lot of intensity of them either. But there's this low to our north and west. It's upper level low. It's stuck there. It's going to be there all week. And so you can see the rain and even some snow wrapped around it, but we're pretty far away from it. Just close enough, though, that little spokes of energy will break off it and give us a chance for an isolated shower pretty much every day this week. I did keep Friday dry, but I think most of the week we'll see a chance for a shower. Story tonight, frost advisory in effect over southwestern interior Maine and back through New Hampshire. And that's exactly what it sounds like. Growing season still in place here, so we have a chance for a frost. I knocked the temperatures down a few degrees from what the models had because I think they were too warm. It's going to be pretty clear, radiational cooling and all that, so we should be able to get into the mid-30s in quite a few spots along the coastline, upper 30s to around 40 degrees until you get to down East Maine. The wind direction there saves them, keeps them a bit warmer. So you see the models tonight drop us into the 30s pretty squarely by early tomorrow morning. Nice and sunny to start, more clouds in the afternoon. Here's one of those little spokes of energy that we talked about, giving us an isolated shower coming through. I don't think there's a whole lot of action here, but there is a chance for a shower, especially over western Maine and right along the immediate coastline is kind of how the models are portraying it. More clouds around on Wednesday, and then in the afternoon, mixture of sun and clouds, again, an isolated sprinkle Wednesday afternoon, but I think any given day, you're looking at about a 15-20% chance of a shower. So most of us will be able to stay dry through these days. And in fact, if I run the models out all the way through the week, so this is all the rain the models expect through Friday, I mean, it's almost nothing, right? 0, 0.1, 0.2, so it's not going to be very heavy stuff. The weekend could be more interesting because we've got a low trying to develop from the west, and there will be a big coastal low, almost nor'easter out here. Question is, its exact location. Is it here or is it here? And that'll make the difference on our weekend. At this point, I've got Sundays rainy. I would love to change that for you guys. But I need to see a little bit more movement with that low, push it farther south. I'd say if you're in northern Maine, you have a better chance of getting away with this weekend than you do in southern Maine. So that's kind of how I'd play it right now. Temperatures remarkably consistent, about 60, more or less, right? Overnight lows, 40s, 30s, crisp type of stuff. So good.
Good pumpkin picking weather.
Boost your energy.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Keith.